Yes, ma'am. I am Jennifer Sanuan Mate, 37 years old. I live in Calaban, Clan, Sarangani province. I have lived in partner. Yes, ma'am. I have 11 years old boy. My live-in partner and also my family. I have seven siblings, six brothers, one sister, and I'm the elder one. I am a high school graduate. Yes, ma'am, I have. I worked before in Saudi Riyadh, 8 years and 7 months. I also do a house chores like cleaning, laundry, cooking, and also I'm taking care of the child, both children. The elder one is 8 years old, the second is 6, and then the third one is twin, 4 years old. Yes, ma'am, I finished my contract. I'm honest, truthful, and hardworking. Yes, ma'am, I have in my left arm. No, ma'am, to earn money and to support the studies of my son. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for a little boy who lives down the lane. No, ma'am. I will talk to them in a calm voice. To my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to finish my contract. If you still need me, I will extend and to learn to cook Chinese food and Cantonese. Thank you.